no. Oh, it's coming back out.
Real bad.
Oh my freaking god, there's like nothing. Oh yeah, there is. I thought it was all gone. 1, 2, 3, burp.
That's normal.
3 big ends in a row. How do burps form? All the little air bubbles get contracted into one giant one and floats to the top.
And that again.
Drink the pop, drink the pop.
Soda, soda, pop, soda, pop.
Ooh, one-handed.
That's what I can do.
So, this is my room, guys. That's my wall of fame. This is my cousin.
Your cousin of fame.
This is my cousin of fame. He looks really pissed. Do I look that pissed?
No.
Oh.
My channel went away while I was not sleeping. 4 in the morning. We actually went to bed at 11 until 12:40, and we woke up to me saying, "Yay! Pink! Spark, please!" That's what we woke up to, and we've been awake since then. And now we're chugging.
Sierra Mist. It's pop. That looks yellow. I meant pink.
Ew, this is lemon lime.
Tastes like, what's that other stuff called? Sprite. Why won't anything come out?
Maybe if you swallow faster, they'll make you burp faster.
If you make yourself burp, you get the hiccups.
Gross.
Oompa, loompa, loompa-dee-doo. I got another riddle for you. Is that little chunky still there? Yeah, it's forming.
I don't really see it.
I feel it.
Where's the lid?
I'm sitting on it, and it hurts my ankle.
Wee-ew!
That's from Burger King. See how messy my floor is? See all my movies? See the naked Barbie doll? Ken.
If Ken's the perfect guy, then why does he have no balls? Or what is that thing? We heard that thing?
No. That's a pillow and it's ice cream that I bought my friend on a banana.
If Barbie is so popular, then why do you have to buy off her friends?
Oh, yeah.
Where's the cap?
I don't know. Here it is. This is my class.
That is a flasher.
Yeah, I see it and I hate it. Go home. And that's my principal, that fat lard. If you rolled her down a hill, she couldn't get back up.
Can I have the lid?
That's scary. He's my friend.
He likes me.
And he likes me. And there's me. Oh, that's Katie Fisher.
Oh, I did see her.
There's Kayla. I think she's Mexican. I call her a jumping bean once.
Wait, is Megan really Asian?
No, she's Philippine. This chick.
Filipino.
And this is Mark.
Marcus Sight.
Where'd he go? Oh, that's Jeff. I hate him. That's Joe. Where'd Mark go? That's Scott.
He's over there.
Where? Oh. This is Mark. That's Joe. Where's Mark? This is Mark. He used to be fat, but he's awesome. And this is Tim.
Nobody knows.
He looks like he's jumping. Look at him. And that's No one likes him.
Who is it?
Who is this? That's a chick.
Allison.
This is Hensley. She's my best friend.
Except for me.
Except for hair. And this is
Her.
Oh, except for her. Where'd you go? Except for her. And then this is a penguin that I'm supposed to do in Antarctica.
Don't do a penguin, okay?
And then this is my brother.
Don't care. Keep going.
He has a crooked butt crack.
That is true. I do have pictures of his butt crack.
That's Marky.
Yay, Marky.
This is my idiot cousin that everyone hates. That's me.
Where?
This little guy.
That idiot?
Yep. This is my Gramps.
Where is he? That's my Gramps, too.
That's her Gramps. This is her Gramps, too. Where'd you know?
That's me.
Yeah,
That's her Gramps. We should tell a whole story just using pictures.
we should. Let's do it. That's my sister. She looks like an ape.
She tells her she was born in Planet of the Apes.
She says Planet of the Hairy Apes. This is Nagisa. That's right. Be jealous. This is,
My
mommy.
It's on YouTube, even though you gagged at that one video.
This is an banana.
Keep gagging. I like that sound.
This is my daddy. A long time ago.
Make another one because it's really long. Bye. Peace.